Hi everybody, this is a video on what to do for Wednesday and Thursday of this week. The first thing you're going to do is look at Project 2, Part 1. So starting in the top left corner, it says, take a look at this pattern I created with rocks. And then you can see this picture. So what I had done is I went into my backyard and I found some rocks and I arranged them in this pattern. And what you need to do is answer the following questions in the discussion. What do you notice? What do you wonder? What comes next? How do you know? What comes before? How do you know? So this would be what comes next. You have to figure out what would go there and describe it. And this would be what comes before, and you could try and describe what that will look like as well. Number 4 says, describe how the pattern is growing. So describe in your own words how this pattern is growing. Again, you can copy and paste these sentence stems to help get started. So you just have to click and kind of hold, and then click the button that says copy, and then paste it into the discussion to help you start answering those questions. So that's the first part that's due today. I'm gonna go back. The second part says, end of Thursday, Project 2, Part 2. So starting again in the top left corner, we want you to create this pattern using your own materials. So you need to use like little pieces of paper, or if you have, I don't know, like chips or popcorn or cereal, you need to create this pattern using your own materials. You can even go outside and use grass if you want to. Whatever you can find to make this pattern. Then you need to use your own materials to show what comes before and next. So you need to show us the first part of the pattern and what would come after that part in the pattern. So remember, you are building this for us to see. Then you need to take a video of your pattern in Flipgrid and describe how you made your pattern. So when you go to Flipgrid, you're going to take a video showing us the pattern that you made and describing how you made it. So I'm going to click here to go to Flipgrid and make sure to click Open in Safari. So in the bottom right corner, Open in Safari. Log in with Google. Sign into your account. And here is what you need to answer. So again, take a video of the pattern you created using your own materials at home. Describe how the pattern was growing to you. So you could say, I used to make this pattern. Personally, I used rocks to make my pattern. I knew the pattern was growing because, this is how I knew what comes next. And then describe how you knew what would come next. This is how I knew what comes before. Describe how you knew what comes before. Once you finish your flip grid, that's it for Wednesday and Thursday. So make sure you do those 2 parts, and please, please, please have fun and enjoy making these patterns out of things at home. Can't wait to see what you guys make. Have a great Wednesday and Thursday.